Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this makeup look. This is a beginner friendly no makeup look. This can be done by any teenagers or college going girls. So I have already moisturized my face and applied sunscreen. Now I'm going to apply this foxtail tinted sunscreen. You'll get 3 shades and this is the best sunscreen ever, and it is also tinted. So I'm going to apply this all over my face using my fingers to blend everything. Need your fingers to blend, guys. It's such a simple way to get a natural look. It's not a full coverage tinted sunscreen. You will get a minimum coverage like skin like finish. I'm going to take this Mars loose powder, translucent powder. This is the shade banana, I think, and I'm just going to dust off a little bit all over my face. And guys, if you have dry skin, please skip this step. Yeah guys, after this I have done my eyebrows, but unfortunately that didn't get record. And for blush, I'm going to take this matte blush from purple and in the shade 01, and I'm going to mix those pink shades and apply on my cheeks, nose and my chin. And in this blush, some are highly pigmented and some are very average. One shade of blush in your makeup kit. Just buy the shade which suits your skin tone. I'm going to take the same blush and apply it on my eyelid. Natural effect. And now I'm going to take this Lakme Sheer blush. This is a 2-in-1 product. You'll get a blush and a highlighter. I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones. I'm just going to apply this lip balm. I forgot to apply this earlier. And now I'm going to apply this lip liner. This is from My Glam. You can use any other brand. Applying a lip liner before applying any lipstick makes your lipstick long lasting. I'm going to line my lips and fill in. Now I'm going to take this Inside liquid lipstick in the shade 13, and this is non-transfer lip color, and you'll get a various shades in this. I'm going to curl my lips and apply mascara. This is Mars mascara and this is a waterproof one. You can buy non-waterproof also. Gives you volume and length. This looks like you're wearing a fake lashes. And now you can see my lashes look so good. We are going to set all this using any makeup fix. You can use any other setting spray. This makes your makeup long lasting. So yeah guys, this is my final look and you can wear this for any occasions. This is no makeup look. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.